Welcome to Sparks Parts. We ship genuine OEM Toyota parts from our dealership to your door. These are splash guards for your Camry, front and rear mud flaps that protect your paint and body from road debris, stone chips, and salt spray. See the splash guards installed on the front and rear, showing perfect fitment along your Camry's body lines. These fit all Camry models from 2018 to 2024, including the popular LE and XLE trims. Your Camry's paint battles road debris daily. These OEM mud flaps block damage before it happens. Unlike aftermarket flaps that sag, genuine Toyota splash guards match your body lines and suspension geometry exactly. OEM Toyota means factory-tested fitment designed specifically for your 2018 to 2024 Camry. Don't compromise your paint. Head to our website to shop the complete line of genuine Toyota parts. You'll get authentic OEM quality, a manufacturer's warranty, our fitment guarantee, and fast shipping direct to your door. Not sure if this is the right part for your vehicle? Call us with your VIN ready and our parts specialist will confirm you're getting exactly what you need. Your VIN is printed on your dashboard, your door jamb, or your registration card, 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with Sparks Parts, genuine parts every time, don't settle for aftermarket.